Bearded dragon. Bearded dragons can change their skin color not only for camouflage, but also to regulate body temperature and communicate with other dragons. Raven. Ravens are among the smartest birds, capable of solving complex problems, using tools and even mimicking human speech. Komodo dragon. Komodo dragons can reproduce through parthenogenesis, meaning females can lay fertile eggs without mating. This allows them to populate isolated environments where no males are present. Coconut crab. Coconut crabs are the largest land-dwelling arthropods, and they can crack open coconuts with their powerful claws. Vampire finch. Vampire finches found in the Galapagos Islands have developed a unique survival strategy by pecking at larger birds and drinking their blood during times of food scarcity.